Desert Safari Dubai is an exhilarating adventure that takes you deep into the Arabian Desert's golden dunes. This thrilling experience begins with a 4x4 vehicle pickup from your hotel, followed by a scenic drive to the desert. Dune bashing. Experience the rush of dune bashing, where expert drivers navigate the vehicle through treacherous sand dunes. Sandboarding. Try sandboarding down the dunes, feeling the thrill of speed and sand. Buffet dinner in the desert. Enjoy a variety of international dishes, from vegetarian to meat lovers options. Relax in the tranquil desert setting, surrounded by twinkling lights and stars. Fireworks in Dubai end the evening with a spectacular fireworks display, illuminating the desert sky. Witness a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns choreographed to music. Feel the excitement and magic of the fireworks, a perfect finale to the desert safari.